Section 1, problem number 1 is the following statement false or true for figure 1 here. We take a look. It says point A, B, and C are collinear. Collinear is when you are on the same line. So A's right here, B's right here, but C's right here. So A and B are on the same line, but C is not. So you would say that this is false. Okay? Because those 3 points are not collinear. They're not on the same line. Next, is A, B, C coplanar? Yes, they are. Okay? A, B, C exists on this plane of A, B, C. They all exist on that flat surface, so we can say that this is true. Point F lies on line DE. So let's make line DE this green, and then point F is right here. Point F is not on that line, so here we can say that this is also false. Next, it says line DE lines on plane DEF. Here is the plane of DEF. This is the plane here, and let's see where that line of DE is. The line DE here is right there. So that is true. That line does exist on that plane. Next, let's look at line BD. Line BD is this vertical line, passes through the point BD, and DE is right here. It is this flat on this flat surface, and they do intersect at that point D. So here we would say that this is also true. Next, it says BD is the intersection of plane ABC and plane DEF. Okay? Notice that this is the plane of DEF, and this is the plane of ABC. Notice that these planes do not touch, therefore they do not intersect. So this is false.